Sorry about the noise from the fireplace behind me over here, but I am assembling my first ever, this is a Hampton Bay, I can't remember the, maybe it's Avalon series or something like that, but it's plywood with soft close hinges. They're like the cheapest cabinets I think you can buy. I had to put these things in here, slide the walls into the face, and then these things are just clicking on. Now they, I already put one on, but you just click, and they click right on. And I'm sure I'm gonna have to put a screw in there, but that sturdies things up so the things aren't flopping around. But okay, they have this kit right here of your hardware, and I mean, I am really pretty impressed with how easily this is all just slapping together. You're supposed to do this like on a table, but I figured I'd do this first one on a carpet at home instead of in the rental property on the setup that I've got. But I mean, boy, talk about easy assembly for these things. This is going to be assembled in like, I don't know, probably 10 minutes time. So I'm going through step, 3, put the walls in, then put those things on, and you put the back on. It looks like it's going to have me screw it all together last. So yeah, the back probably going to be pretty easy. I'm here on my knees. There's only the groove at the bottom, the groove at the top. So it looks like you just kind of drop this on there. And I don't know if there's a top and a bottom for the cabinet, but the fact is that I need lefts and rights, so it doesn't even matter, this first cabinet, which is the top and the bottom. But oh, it looks like I should have first put the pegs into this back side. I did not put these pegs in yet, so I got to screw them in because it's going to be hard right now. So it's the first thing I messed up, but I thought I'd take a video while I'm doing this. But I think the cabinet is going to be virtually assembled after that. You just have a couple more screws to drop in, and then some optional steps at the end where you'll put the rubber bumper on the door so they don't smack, and adjusting the doors and putting the shelves in. So wow, I'm really impressed with how easy this is.